beautiful tool. We put a lot of work into this, and when you get it home, the box says glass slippers. I mean, how cute. You can even get like a little, you know, Cinderella or whatever bag and put it in it. It's just cute. But more importantly, it's about what it does. It goes where no blade is going to go. You're not going to take like a blade and use it on top of your toes.
Yes.
And also a little secret, I over self-tan. I mean, raise your hand,
same.
right?
Yeah.
I got it on the backs of the ankles, on the back of my legs, the elbows.
It's so good for your elbows.
Yes, I love that. Anywhere from the neck down, obviously, that you want to exfoliate, you can use glass slippers. It is so hair worker. Or your feet are just Bryn's boys, pay attention.
Yes,
I need you to get this on immediately.
They're like, oh gosh,
Calling
Mom,
Bryn's
stop
boys.
talking about me.
Attention, Bryn's boys, your mom's on national TV talking about your feet.
Oh my gosh.
Call me later.
Seriously, I know. Traumatized.
So it's super exciting if you're just joining us. We are talking about glass slippers.
Yes.
Virtually unbreakable. Give the gift of a product today that somebody's
Oh my
but
gosh.
so gratifying,
Wait, I have
right?
to come over and see your feet.
I mean, she's only been out here for 2 seconds. Unfair, we're not in a bathroom. And she's already starting to have the relief that those coarse calluses, all that thick, dry, dead skin, when it builds up, you're not sliding into any kind of sheet. And by the way, tights.
Oh my gosh,
Have you ever tried to put tights on?
I've definitely ripped my own tights with my feet before. It's so embarrassing.
I can't believe we're talking about this.
I think that's a shared issue, right?
I mean, we're really sharing.
Look at, I mean, her skin
Do you
looks
think
just
that your
rosy
Do you
and
think that
pink.
your sons are going to be upset with us?
Hopefully they're still at school. They're on the bus. I hope. They're used to me talking about them quite a lot.
it.
Half gone of the original quantity that we've brought in already. In just a minute or two, which foot would you prefer to have in the privacy of your own home? Not talking about it on national TV like Chelsea and I are. Under $20 to get this home. You get a professional pedicure whenever, however you want it for your whole entire family. You'll never have to buy another foot file after this.
Love it.
Under $20.
Yeah, just choose your color. Is going to want to take care of their feet. Instead of giving the gift of a salon or a spa, they're going to it one time and then it's done. So this is literally also giving relief. So many of you guys work outside. Maybe you are in a nursing home and you want to take care of somebody that has not great feet or that can't book an appointment. Look at how gorgeous.
Yep. We talk about feet a lot here at HSN. We all have bunions. We all have shoes.
Right? So you can see here, it's got a really large footprint. So a large tempered glass pad. I drop it all the time in the shower. They don't break, so you don't have to worry about that. You can clean them. They're one of the most hygienic ways to actually take care of your feet. You have a good ergonomic design on it. And if you are getting into bed right now and it's 30 degrees where you live, 20 degrees where you live, like it's about to be everywhere in the United States, you don't want to be scratching the sheets. You don't want to be snuggling up to anybody or your poor little chihuahua. And he's like, whoa, what is going on with those feet? The skin is scratchy. So this allows you to get a pedicure, give the gift of pedicure that lasts a lifetime.
Yes. And oh my gosh, the customer reviews on this are outstanding. Over 28 5-star reviews. It is a customer pick. If you would like the pink, we have 750 left to go around. If you would like the purple, we have...
This is virtually going to last you a lifetime. It is tempered glass. So instead of that thick, dry, dead skin is uncomfortable. So this is a way for you to immediately have relief from all that and not pay the price of a $50, $60, $70, $80 pad.
Exactly, and so quick and easy. And the other thing I really love about this tempered glass and the way that it has just kind of this different feel to it, it's never going to do too much, because that's the other thing that you can really worry about with some of these foot files. You can hurt yourself. You don't want to be using those sharp tools on your feet and doing damage. This is going to perfectly take off that layer of dead skin, reveal the gorgeous skin underneath, and do no more or no less